Hey everybody, it's Mitchell Osborn here, and I have just finished up a weekend of releasing and resetting here at the Art of Living Retreat Center in Boone, North Carolina. This was all put on by the Wellness Universe, and this was an amazing soul treat for my soul and an amazing treat to spend here. So I hope one day you too will be able to spend some time at a soul treat put on by the Wellness Universe. Have a wonderful day.
So I would like to tell everyone who's still wondering, should they come to the next soul treat? You should. You know, I was skeptical about that, and I was like, yeah, the money, the traveling through the pandemic, but I came and I found so many friends. I connected so much with other people, and I find out I'm not crazy, okay? And I'm not alone. I can ask for help, and we did so much of hands-on activities and great workshops, great speakers. I'm so full of ideas now, and I was validated, and I was so supported by love and everybody. I don't want to leave, so I hope I see you next year.
Hello, I'm Aundrea Veney, and I'm from Alexandria, Virginia, the DMV area, and I came to SoulTreat as a guest. And before the retreat was even over, I signed up as a Wellness Universe member. And I'm so glad, because being here, actually, I came to get my cup filled from just needing to be poured into as a service provider and helping other people. And at the end of it, after being around other healers and other business owners, I wanted to be a part of this community, and I'm so glad now that I'm locking arms with them, because I got so much out of just being around them and being in the environment. But we had a mastermind, and I loved every bit of it. And my takeaway in one of the workshops that we had was being present and how important presence was. And I will remember, and my takeaway is to be in the room. So thank you.
My name is Susan Cross, and I came to my very first soul treat with an open heart and an open mind, not knowing what to expect. It's been the ultimate reset, and I'm walking away with clarity that I didn't expect, and a resource of big brains and big hearts who are standing at the ready to help me with my next steps. I highly recommend SoulTreat for anyone on a journey.
Hi, my name is Carolyn McGee, and I am a Wellness Universe world changer and thrilled to be here at SoulTreat. It has been such an amazing experience for me. Just being with other like-minded people, meeting people in person, especially Anna Pereira, who I've been working with since 2015, and to get the hug, oh my God, it was just such an amazing experience. And then being able to network with people, form partnerships, get healing, be nurtured. I am just coming off some surgery, and nobody would let me do anything. Everybody took care of me. It was such an incredible, incredible, heartwarming and heart-opening experience. Highly recommend it.
Hello, I just wanted to voice my appreciation and deep love for the whole Wellness Universe team who put on SoulTreat this year. It was amazing. I have to say, I came here, with a lot to deal with internally and personally. I lost my husband 6 months ago. I'm a grief coach, and just the support and the immersion in the love and the wisdom and the beauty of everyone that's here, the beauty that's around us in this beautiful location. The whole experience has just been totally uplifting for me and clearing, and I walked away with a great deal of clarity on my next steps. So thank you, and you got to be here. SoulTreat.
Hi, I'm Gina Johnson, and I am from the Connecticut shoreline, and this is my first experience with SoulTreat, and I have to tell you, it was truly amazing. I didn't know what to expect, but somehow this retreat this weekend, the people that are here managed to exceed any expectations, even though I didn't have them. It just blew me away. I've made some lifetime connections this weekend, and I can't wait to get home and start collaborating with these amazing, amazing people.
I'm Jacqueline Kane, and this is my great new friend in person because we only met on Zoom years ago, Amy Gillespie. And we are excited because we are here at SoulTreat and it's been absolutely amazing.
It has. The connections we've made while we've been here, the opportunity we've had to do ancestral clearing work together, and we're even going to close out tonight with an ancestral clearing fire and setting new intentions for 2022. It's been just the greatest blessing ever.
Releasing the old of 2021 and bringing in 2022. So if there's ever another SoulTreat next year, make sure you're there because it's amazing, healing, rejuvenating, refreshing, re-energizing, and you have to be there.
We would love to see you there next year. And wishing you all the best, you and your ancestors, in 2021 and beyond. From SoulTreat.
Hi, I'm Ilene Dillon, and I am participating in my third SoulTreat experience. And this time I've been a speaker and presenter and been part of the fair that has been put on. And not only have I received fantastic help, the level of people who are attending this conference is so high that I am ready to go home and kick butt for my in my business, and I've received standing ovations and more love than a person can handle practically in just a few days.
I came here with an open mind to receive and learn, and at the end of this retreat I got so much more than I could ever have imagined personally, my own growth and development. And I had the honor of being a vendor at the experience fair, and that just blossomed and grew my clean beauty business with my partner. So please join and come to SoulTreat. You will be soulfully infused with love, energy, and so much more. That's all I can tell you. Just do it. You will love it.
Hi, I'm Birgit. I'm here at the SoulTreat 2021, and I was being asked from Anna to come, and was a vendor. When I showed up here, I didn't think really that I could participate or have fun, but this was an ultimate amazing experience for myself, even being at the fair. And what really was a surprise was the food. I'm usually not a foodie, but that food, that Ayurvedic food, every breakfast, lunch, and dinner was astonishing. So you could almost say come to the SoulTreat just for the food. Of course, we had great workshops. We had mastermind, which is really great for me as a business owner. I don't get a lot of people chiming into my business plans and my business ideas, but that mastermind rocked. So come next time and check it out. Bye.
Hi, I'm Leah Skurdal, and I'm just so delighted having been here at SoulTreat because it far exceeded all my expectations. My cup is overflowing, and I'm so happy to have this tribe of peers, of wonderful people who are now my peeps. I'm just delighted. Come to SoulTreat next year.
This is the sunset on day one of SoulTreat. What a beautiful welcome to an amazing weekend. This weekend, I got to reconnect on a deeper level with people I already knew, and I got to meet and connect with more beautiful souls. I got to experience the mountains and all of its gloriousness. I got to sit quietly and just really reflect on everything that I took in, from all the workshops and the speakers. I got to try new products from sponsors, always fun. And I just really, really got to enjoy just being. The bonfire at the end was absolutely magic. For now, though, I'm going to say goodbye, but I want to invite you to the next one with me.
rest your mind. Take a breath. Feel the words that are said. Drop down inside, recognize everything. Answer. Take a moment to feel everything. Maybe you'll see we all feel everything. Nothing's really right or wrong. It's all more like a song. You like rock, I like jazz, but all music has a vibe. And it's the vibe we feel that's real. No word or rhyme or melody is better. It all just depends on what jives with your heart. Makes your soul light on fire. Or dance or sing or express.